Okay. Okay, let's go, guys. Let me put some music in the background. And here we go. Let me check every stream. Twitch. Okay. YouTube. Okay. Let me launch TikTok too. And let's go. Let's see what the market gave us. Okay, so TikTok on. That's where I have the most question and messages. Okay, perfect. Some music for myself too. And we're gonna see what the market gave us. Okay. Okay, let's go. So, let's see what the market gave us today. So personally, I had this trade on HeroCAD I showed you last Friday. TP plus 3.5k. My AUD THF trade is like that. I move my SL. Myself was there actually. To there. So at worst, I lost 0.5 air, so 500. And yeah, let's update my charts. Euro USD. Euro USD, it didn't give us our long to this area. Actually, if you would give me a long, that would be my target. So now it's different. Now we're probably gonna look for a short. And actually, we maybe missed it here. So Euro USD, correct, all the leg. It was into 50%, 61% FIBO, and divergence, fractal, changes market structure in smaller time frame. So there was probably this short to take. Did he give a pullback? He did by an inch to the 50% FIBO. So that's currently too late for this move, but maybe you can grab it like this. If he give us a setup in smaller time frame, so same thing, alert at 50% Fibonacci, and I think the target it's this unfilled order block POI seeing he break the demand zone like here in one move. So when you do that, you have a lot of strange like the price pull back here and also give you a reaction. So that's the pen on Euro USD. Don't hesitate as usual if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something else for you. And I'm gonna continue to update all my chart personally. Okay, next one. Next one, EuroGPY. Didn't check anything today. So he gave a move last week. We already know that. He was supposed to correct a big part of this. I don't like the fact that he did not fill at least 50%. So nothing for me on EuroGBP. I don't like it. So we'll see, but nothing. There's nothing to say. I don't like it. I'm open to any opinion if you have a trade in mind with EuroGBP, but not for me. EuroGPY. So we were here. So he bounced in this, all this order block in 4 hours. This unfilled POI. This candle, it's the POI. So it's a bit hard to explain, but it's the only unfilled candle basically. He bounced on it, like I said. There was this pattern. So I don't like trade pattern like many people, but this one, I know it can be the end of a move, and indeed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the trade line, all divergence RSI, and indeed it bounced, but it did not give us any pullback high like too long. EuroGPY. So now he's probably gonna do a new high. I have a few doubts. I don't have doubt about it, even if I can have wrong. He probably just did a corrective wave ABC. He bounced to make a new top. No problem with that. So nothing to do on EuroGPY. We'll see once he creates a new high. I'm gonna put my alert because in that case I will need to update my chart and his market structure in 4 hours. Okay, next one. As usual, don't hesitate to ask me if you want me to analyze an asset for you right away. Next one, GBP USD, GBP USD. Okay. So he changed his market structure there. He's supposed to correct my FIBO at least at 50%. That's what he's doing. But to fractal bearish, you don't have any candle. It's the low. So I think GBP USD probably gonna do something like that if we want to short him. Well, it's not time to do anything, but probably gonna do something like this. If you want to catch a move, I think it's the same in smaller time frame. Nothing to do. He switches market structure there, and he's correcting this move. So no, nothing to do. Still have this maybe to fill. He's gonna give us a move here and fill the order block. He broke the demand in one push. Same as Euro USD, and nothing to do here. Next one, Euro CHF. I don't care. I think like the last few weeks. Yeah, I don't care. I don't like him. EuroCAD, like I said, my trade TP. Now there's not many things to do. You have this internal structure and you have the bottom here. So it's between this and this. And nothing to do on HeroCAD since I TP my trade. Next one, Euro IUD. I had a plan on this. So basically, fractal 4 hour here, changes the market structure in 1 hour also. In that case, it's supposed to correct a huge amount of all the moves represented by my Bonacci. The only on-field things was this order block, and so now I need him to give me a confirmation and switch bullish again and give me a pullback. But to become bullish right now, he need to pass above this. So we'll see. Not sure Euro IUD gonna give us a setup, except maybe if you do something like this, basically. So we'll see, but that's the plan on Euro IUD. We'll see if he gave us a move. Next one, AUD pair. Let me update this. Okay, so USD CAD supposed to correct all this move. Currently on this gap 4 hour. 50% of the leg. We'll see. I had already my alert there. Why not if he does something like this? Target a short. If not, he's gonna go higher, and we'll see what he does higher, basically. Now, if he fractal bearish 4 hour, I'll be interested in a trade. If during the pullback he give me confirmation in smaller time frame, basically. So we'll see. Okay. Okay, next. USD CHF, nothing new, still on this huge range in 4 hour. Currently bouncing on the POC, maybe to go to the VAL there. As you know, I don't like to trade a huge range like that. The move to take was here, like I said, the last few weeks. I would already have TP if I was in this anyway, so I don't care about USD CHF the last few weeks. The range since like June. So nothing for me. I don't know about you if you like to trade range, but not for me. A few people, very few people like to trade range actually. Okay, next one. USD GPY, nothing new. USD GPY, it changes market structure. Actually, it was the best for our. Doesn't change much. Nothing to do on Euro GPY. Finally create a new high. It was Friday on his market structure in 4 hour. And in that case, I always wait for a fractal 4 hour. This time is here. And in that case, maybe he can give us a short to correct a small amount of all this move. So nothing to do. Gold, nothing to do. He didn't give us the short I was looking. Are you in sell? Which asset, Lee? Which asset, Lee? I only have one trade open. It's on AUD CHF since Friday. On USD JPY, no, USD JPY, nothing. Nothing to do, but I will wait for this. And maybe on the pullback, he's gonna give me a short in a smaller time frame if he give me any confirmation. But no, nothing to do on USD JPY. NS future, basically it's just because so it's what I like to do once he changes market structure after a boss or after a shosh. I like to catch the first move indeed against the trend if he give me confirmation on the pullback in smaller time frame. It's just logic, you know. Once he took all liquidity, he has nothing left. He has no one left to stop. Well, it's supposed to grab liquidity in the other way, you know. But we'll see, as always, it's always the same. You need first to break, then pull back, then give me a confirmation in my in smaller time frames. So. But right now, there's nothing to do on your GPY. How do you find a perfect entry? Well, basically, I need the market structure to change, and on the pullback, I need my confirmation in smaller time frame. So usually, I watch the market in 4 hours first, then 1 hour, then 15 minutes, and I can find entry either in 5 or in 1 minute. It depends, but it's always the same. I don't pre-shot, and I need a confirmation in my pullback. In this future, everyone has a different way to trade, you know. But usually, what I explained to you works most of the time, you know, like Euro GBP. Last week, you know, he did this. He changes market structure here in 4 hours, fractal, and you can zoom in 1 hour to find your entry on pullback, you know. And then in that case, I want him to correct a huge amount of the move he was in, and you can do that in other assets. I did this, it was here on Eurocad, same, for example. It was in December. I was in this. Where was I? Here. See? There was this boss here on Eurocad. Fractal here. Changes market structure in 1 hour also. And when I zoomed in 1 hour, he gave me my entry. It was in 15 actually, you see. In 15 minutes there. He gave me my confirmation here. Here, 15 minutes. And then I took it on one pullback. Like this. And in that case, I want him to correct a huge amount of the move in 4 hours. Here. At least 50%. So you can always trade against the trend if you have all your confirmation, you know. In the future, do what you want. Personally, I want my my win rate to be higher as possible. So yeah, I need a lot of confirmation. I agree with you. I'm maybe too conservative, you know. I need first the change, then my pullback, then my confirmation in my pullback. But that's fine by me. But if you're comfortable with your way to trade, go for it. Banitsi, yeah, I swing mostly. I scalp sometimes. For example, I have 3 TP this month, and 2 of them are scalp. I had the scalp on silver, for example. Let me remember where it was. It was there. There, for example, Banitsi, I took a scalp, but it is on the link. I send you a link this morning for Discord. You will see. You'll see this trade. There was this unfilled POI, and I was also looking for a short on gold at this point, but gold did not give me what I want. So this unfilled POI, I zoomed in 1 minute. And can I see it in 1 minute? Then. And I did this exactly. Above this liquidity, like this. And I targeted, it was 2 point, yeah. But yeah, sometimes I'll cap. It depends of my mood also, my confidence. Wish you the best, NS also. Okay, next one. Where was I? Okay, next one. Where was I? Was on gold, I think. So like I said, gold, nothing to do. I was hoping for a reaction because we had this key daily weekly level, but it did not, as you can see, give us anything to trade with. He didn't do this, he just pushed, so we didn't miss anything. We didn't lose anything either. Silver, nothing either. I can put my alert there in case he fractal like this as usual, and in case he gives us confirmation on the pullback. Until that, nothing to do. Don't hesitate if you have any question as usual. Okay. Next, Euro NZD, I don't care. I had my zone here, he reacts, but he did not give me anything. Anything I like. Don't care. GBP AUD, nothing to do. As you know, I don't like to trade range like this. You want USD GPY? Yeah, no problem. So USD GPY, Banitsi creates a new high on his market structure in 4 hour Friday, you know. So now the low of his market structure in 4 hour is this. All the move is my Fibonacci. And in that case, there's nothing to do. And like I explained earlier, in that case, I like him to see if I took a trade, if I take a trade in this, most of the time I need him to first to fractal bearish in 4 hours. Then on my pullback here, I watch for confirmation in 1 hour, and if he give me confirmation, I can trade and target 2-3 ratio or correction at 50% Fibo of all his market structure 4 hours basically. But for now, USD GPY, I didn't look at today, but maybe he gave other setup. Personally, didn't give anything I would like in this. I don't know. You can maybe. I'm open to any opinion. If some of you opened any trade in this on your GPY, personally I don't like it. For example, even here, I could be interested in short, but you don't have any liquidity to take on the first move here. So in that case, I don't like personally to take any trade. You have a reaction here, sure, but it's not enough for me. It's not clean enough, let's say. You can find way much clean setup. So no USD GPY for me, nothing to do yet, but I'm open to any opinion. It just changes the market structure in 4 hours. We'll see later. Gold already spoke about it. Silver, like I said, same as gold. New high, new low in 4 hours. New boss, and now what I wait is, like I said, once again, fractal 4 hour pullback, and let's see if I have a confirmation in 1 hour or 15 minutes during the pullback to probably correct part of this. You went for a sell on USD GPY. Fila, which time frame your entry? Your execution time frame? Maybe I can check. Almighty, I don't teach. I don't teach now. I just like to stream, you know. We'll see later. But ask if you have any question. I can give you some guidance, let's say. 1 hour, Fila? I guess you pre-shot the Shosh in 1 hour, Fila? I guess you did this, Fila? No, actually. You saw this? So you Shosh here? I guess. It was the Shosh in 15 minutes actually, not 1 hour. What I don't like, Fila, is that, you know, you went for a short, so I guess you take a short during the pullback. What I don't like, Fila, you know, it's that you don't have any liquidity to take here. Except if you count this. And if you wait 1 hour, this market structure is there. So Fila, for personally, I'm not very confident into your short on USD GPY, but if you are your own way to trade and it works for you, maybe it's not gonna work here, but it's gonna work another time. That's fine. Nasdaq, yes, why not? Let's G, I didn't check Nasdaq today. I don't trade him usually. Okay, so Nasdaq. He finally took this liquidity here. For me, Nasdaq, nothing to do, you know. Become bearish in 4 hours, I need to go below this. He has decent field order block higher. So I think I will wait him to go there first. Let me see if he give it. Oh, see, even in 1 hour to switch bearish, even to fractal, it's too low. Maybe you want a long. For now, Nasdaq, I don't like him in any time frame to do anything. But maybe you have another plan. Don't hesitate to tell me. Maybe. Then wait first. Wait first for the 1 hour candle to close, and we'll see after that. And we'll see after that, let's see. Maybe if the 1 hour candle close like this and swap this liquidity, maybe we could find after this a setup for a scalp in 5 minutes or a 1 minute time frame. But for now, on Nasdaq, LSG will we're gonna wait for this candle to close first. But if you want, if you don't like to scalp, I think first wait him to fill the 4 hour order block higher. Okay, next one. Where was I? USD, I don't care. GBPAUD, I said that is currently in this huge range, and I don't like range. GBP actually we missed short, some short, but that's fine. I had other trade opened. Let me see one thing just. Okay. GBP maybe just did correction wave like this, and maybe you're gonna go higher now. We'll see, but there's nothing to do. It's too late for this move. Okay, next. I'm gonna put an alert there in case you give me a long. We'll see. Next, GBP I think I don't care. So a GBP nothing to do yet. We'll see once again if he switch his market structure 4 hour and give us a pullback as always, and wait for confirmation in smaller time frame. But GBP if there one moment he can go down, it's now. Watching 4 hour time frame. Okay, next GBP CAD, new high. Okay, no problem, nothing to do. His low is there now. New boss. Nothing to do. GBP CAD. Even in 1 hour, let's see. The fractal is there. Let me see 15 minutes. Nothing. Okay, GBP CAD, nothing to do yet. Next one, GBP GPY, like USD GPY basically. Let me update my chart. So the last flow is here. GBP GPY, and now there's nothing to do. The new eye starts there. So in that case, I repeat myself, but I like to look for trade against the trend IFI fractal first. No divergence, nothing. We'll see. I'm gonna put my alert there in 1 hour, and we'll see after that if he does something like this once again, and confirmation on my pullback, and we'll see. CUPGPY, I don't care. I don't like that he didn't take this liquidity in 4 hours. So he switched bullish here in 1 hour. Let's go. Just switch in 4 hours. The same. CDGPY is there. And in 1 hour. Nah, too low. Too low. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Key point to become bearish are too far, so I don't care. Okay, next. I just finished to update my charts. You can also ask me if you want me to analyze anything. I'm Alume. Nice to see you back. AUD GPY, like every pair against GPY, I need to update this. Market structure 4 hour is like this now. And we'll see. So basically, every asset against GPY, there's nothing to do. Just new high everywhere. CAG CHF finally is coming on this last unfilled POI, but nothing to do. The turning point is way too high now, but we'll see later. AUD NZD. I need him to break this candle first. Potentially. Maybe he's doing his move in 1 hour. No, not even close. So I put my alert there. AUD, CAG. AUD basically, CAG did almost the same thing as EuroCAD I was in, but a bit later. And actually the trade to take was there. We missed it. I think I talked about it Friday, but I took it on EuroCAD and my trade TP this morning plus 3.5k. So basically AUD CAG was almost in the same configuration. AUD USD. Did he give me something? Maybe we missed something here this morning. Actually, during the night for me. We missed this. We missed this on AUD USD actually. So let me explain to you why. So basically, his market structure in 4 hours was like this. The on-field, last thing on field was this. Then is change is fractal bullish here, this candle. So in that case, I can zoom in 1 hour. I watch the move that break. It's this. Pull back 50%. And basically one C fractal once again, this time in 1 hour. I put my Fibonacci like that, and I add my entry there. But I missed it. I wasn't in front of the chart. It was too soon for me in France. So I'm not in this. Too bad, it was clean. It was clean, but nothing to do on AUD USD anymore. Nothing to do is in this. That's the turning point there. There's also decent field POI. We'll see, but for now, USD nothing to do. Don't hesitate to ask if you want me to analyze something else. UDCHF, I'm in this now. So I was like this, and now I move myself to this. So at worst, I lose 0.5 R. So $500 basically. My TP is there exactly. So nothing to do on AUD and the DUSD. So it was supposed to clean a part of this leg. He bounced on the 50%. He fractal there. So in that case, it's supposed to correct this time an amount of this. And is already at plus 15%. He has nothing else to feel. So in that case, and the USD, we are looking for something like this, basically. Fractal there. Okay, something like this. With our confirmation in smaller time frame here, basically. But I'm gonna put my alert. Actually, in 4 hours, it's different. We'll see. Nothing to do on NZD USD 4 hour, 1 hour, nothing to do yet. NZD CAD same. GPY like the rest of the asset against GPY. Just put the I here. And GPY, I absolutely don't care. Okay. Well, all my assets are updates. Don't hesitate to ask me if you want me to analyze something else as usual. I was looking at GXY actually. Also. So DXY changes market structure in 1 hour. The red zone was an unfilled order block in 4 hours. What I don't like, it's not really that I don't like it, but no, actually, no, nothing. Nothing. We'll see what DXY is gonna do in there. Remove this. Let me put this. DXY, we'll see what he does there. Basically, if he change market structure in smaller time frame or just fractal in 1 hour, like this, maybe I'm gonna short him here. But nothing to do on DXY. Sludge market has been brutal this January. Actually, I like my January month for now. I was killed in November. I take things a bit slowly in December. But now, January, for now, I'm back. I'm chill. I grab my confidence back and I'm okay now. I'm at plus 10k or 9.8. I only took 1 SL this month. But we'll see, depend what your trade. How you trade too. That's all. What do you usually trade, Sludge? Don't hesitate, guys, if you want me to analyze something for you. I personally already updated every asset I usually have in my watch list. What do you mean, Kit? I have to say I don't trade candle pattern. I know some of them, sure. But don't hesitate, kids, to share how you trade. Usually, we can all have different way to trade and all be profitable. There's no problem with that. We're not gonna judge. But what do you mean, kids? On DXY, you mean? Follow direction. No, but I don't have any trade on DXY, to be honest. I just saying that maybe gonna give us something to do here. The DXY, you want to follow the 4-hour trend. So for you, it give you confirmation here, you mean? The only thing is that it changes market structure here in 1 hour. So I know you want to play the old trend. Let me see. DD corrected at least 50% of all days. Yes, okay, one good thing. Maybe you have some EMA with you too. Not in 1 hour, but they are bullish. Missing 50. The only thing I don't like it, but if you're good with the way you trade, that's fine. Is that technically it changes market structure in 1 hour here. And here the pullback for now, it changes structure now only in 15 minutes here. But yeah, maybe you have a trade, you can take a trade here. But I think that maybe he can give a trade against you higher, you know. Okay, kids, I don't use trade line, to be honest. I use first market structure, Fractal also. I like to have also divergence to confirm sometimes, but it's just a bonus, you know. And I can add also EMA, especially 200 to confirm any trade. Vital Music. For now, I just have a trade on AUD CHF I opened last Friday. But today, for now, I have nothing. But yeah, Kits, no problem. Maybe you have a trade there. But yeah, Kits, no problem. Maybe you have a trade there. But like I said, maybe he can do this after. So, but just put your SL at break even when you can, and you'll see. And in 4 hours, if Fractal bearish, and his only way to Fractal bullish again, it's the high. We'll see. At least he filled 50% of the previous move. And I know it was indecent field order block too. We'll see. I have personally nothing to open a trade. I like. Maybe you had this, so you took. Maybe you took it like that, no? Kids, maybe you took it like that, no? You took the move that break, and you took it like that. Something like that. Personally, if I follow your thinking, I would have my entry in this, in 15. My TP on AUD. My TP on AUD. Just don't copy what I'm doing without understanding, mate. But my TP is there. Actually, here exactly. Let me check my trade on MetaTrader. Is exactly 0.53095. So originally my SL was there, and now my SL is there. So at worst I lose 0.5 R, which means for me most of the time $500 basically. So like I said, guys, I finished to update every chart I have in my usual watch list, but you can ask me if you want my opinion on any trade you have in mind or on any asset. Yes, let low, especially in this kind of pair like AUD pair, they charge fees, especially during the weekend. It's usual when you swing trade, especially pair like that. That's why I don't do it often on AUD pair, especially because of the spread, not the best always. But if I have my analysis in 1 hour, that's fine. But with a set like that, that's sure that I can't have entry in like 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame. It's really swing trade on this kind of pair. And you guys, do you have any trade open already this week? Personally, I didn't open anything today. I already had my trade AUDC HF since Friday, and I had also this trade on EuroCAD. TP this morning, so it's not 7.14. Was there ISL. I took 3.5k exactly. Wait, check. It was 3.5k. How much was I? Yes, 5. Yeah, gold. There's nothing to do, Neo, on gold. At least for me. I'm open to any opinion you have, but it's just going high. He didn't even offer any setup to short. There was a key daily, weekly level here. But now on gold, Neo, for me, there's nothing to do. I'm open to any opinion if you have one. I just need to update this. Is market structure in 4 hours like that now? Just update this. Okay. Doesn't change much, but no gold. There's nothing to do, Neo. Do you have a trade in mind on gold? Okay. Well, no, nothing to do on gold, you know. In 4 hours, he can't even fractal 4 hour bearish till this is too far. So I think he's probably do something like this, you know. And maybe we can have a trade here. But now gold, you need to create. You need to create lower high. You need to create low closer from each other, let's say. You can still come back here for that, of course, but gold for me, there's nothing to do. I don't know about scalper, but let me see. In 15 minutes, his market structure is here. Indeed, Neo, I don't think there's anything. But I don't scalp in 1 minute. Maybe some guy in 1 minute find any scalp, but I need bigger time frame first, personally. I can have execution time frame in 1 minute sometimes, but it's based on higher time frame. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna bounce around here. Market structure 15 minutes. Maybe he's gonna respect this. You have EMA 200 here. Didn't touch it since a while. Who knows? But who knows? Maybe gonna do something like this. We'll see, but it's only based on a 15-minute time frame, so. Yeah, you like my accent? No problem. I just prefer the content in English. It's more interesting. But yeah, I still have my French accent. So no gold, there are absolutely nothing to do. I don't know about you guys, but we'll see. Don't hesitate, of course, if you have another trade in mind. Or if you have another opinion than me, I'm not gonna judge. We can all trade differently and all be profitable. Yo, yes. You Nate, what's the biggest amount you have withdraw? You don't need to answer it. No, that's fine. My biggest month, like I said, it was in October this year, and October I made 24k. It was crazy. I had like 80% win rate, but spoiler, the next one, November, was my worst month of the year. But no, October it was my best month, plus 24. But the next one, November, it was minus 7k. So, you know, that's trading. Did you guys took any trade today? I didn't see anything. I missed a trade. There was a trade to take on AUD USD this morning, but it was very early. 7 p.m. for me. Beside that, I see. Oh yeah, we missed this on Euro USD. Oh no, actually, I am. I don't think I would be in this actually. Not enough confirmation, but it's maybe me. I'm too conservative. You took a trade on gold, yes? I didn't saw. For me, there was anything. Did you TP? Personally, I don't think I would have find a trade there. Okay. Maybe you try to scalp in small time frame. I don't do much. I don't do much scalp. Maybe there, yeah. Maybe this was okay to play. Beside that, not for me. Maybe more, yeah. Okay, yeah, there was this trade in 1 minute clean. But beside that, I don't know what you did. Yes, but. Hi, Boyzin. How you doing? How you doing, Boyzin, my friend? Did you open any trade already this week? I'm fine, Boyzin. I'm fine. I'm fine. I TP my trade on EuroCAD opened last Friday. So it was plus 3.5k. Yeah, I'm still in this. I'm still in this on a UGC HF, but I moved my SL there. So it was here. Now I'm there. So at worst, it's minus 500. So I'm fine, but I didn't see anything to trade today. I didn't see to open a trade today. Don't know about you. I don't know about you, Boyzin. Well, same, Boyzin, same. Nothing today. You know, yes, there's no such thing as like I don't trade Monday or Friday. Honestly, with experience, you can have trade every day. For example, since mid-December, much of assets do their move during the Monday, you know, at the week opening. Sometimes I found a trade, the perfect trade to open Friday. Even in sometime I don't like to trade late on Friday because it's the weekly close. Ouais, ça va, Juki. But for the stream, I'm gonna answer in English. Thank you, Joki. Yeah, yeah, still have my my French accent. Thank you, Joki. Yeah, yeah, still have my French accent. For now, Joki, I didn't open any trade today. I just had two trade opened last Friday. So like I said, I made plus 3.5k on this on EuroCAD, TP this morning. And I still have a swing trade also on AUD CHF. Right now is like this. My ESL initially was there. I moved it here now. So at worst I lose 500 instead of 1k. And we'll see. I don't know about you, Joki, but I didn't saw any opportunity to open any trade today. Like I said, I missed one on AUD USD, but it was very early, like 7 p.m. 15 minutes, it was clean. I missed it. But if not, nothing today, Joki. Don't know about you. Maybe you already have a trade open for this week. For this week. I don't do Beamcoin, Joki. I don't do this. It was hard enough to be profitable and stable with classic trading. I'm not gonna enventure myself with Beamcoin. Yeah. I fold a bit with my brother for fun on Mincoin when the Trump coin was released, but beside that, not for me. Well, I'd rather not speak in French, Joki, to be honest. Do you have any tips? Yeah, I have plenty. More mental, to be honest, because technical advice in trading, you can't have the same advice everywhere. Look, personally, I trade market structure. I studied SMC. I like to confirm that with RSI, Fractal, EMA 200 sometimes. And I find my way to trade with all this. The setup I'm comfortable with. But you just need to find your own way to trade the way you like. After that, it's mental. Don't do mean coin. That's my advice. No, I'm saying that, but actually I never studied anything about meme coin, so maybe it's a good idea if you like it, and if you're good at it. What did you say, guys? If you want me to know something else, and if you have any question, I'm gonna stay live till the end of the hour, I think. Someone asked me about Nasdaq. We were watching the way the candle flows. Did he give setup in smaller time frame? Absolutely not. Absolutely no way to trade this even in scalp. But today on gold, except scalp in 1 minute, for me there was nothing to do on gold. And I don't like to scalp if my analyze is only based in a 5 minute, 1 minute time frame. To scalp, I need at least 15 minute time frame to back me up. And then I found my entry in 1 minute. What did you say, guys? If you have any question left, if not, I think I'm gonna end the stream in like 10 minutes. hesitate if you have any last question. I personally already updated all my charts, all my alerts are set. Okay, guys. If you don't have any question left, I'm just gonna leave. I'll be back as usual tomorrow, live every day for market update to see what we can trade, and you'll see also where my trades are. So, see you soon, guys. Take care and good luck with your trade if you currently have any trade open. See you.